The frog and the turtle can be eliminated. So then, that leaves us with... It couldn't be the bird, could it?
Aw, there's no way.
No way!
Molly, did you get that?
I got something, but it happened so fast.
It's all blurry.
I'm so embarrassed.
Stop eating. You'll get another tummy ache.
This is a matter of pride. Again!
If you can get us photographic proof.
Then I guess we can deal with your farts. Ooh.
Thanks to Molly's efforts, we were able to get great pictures as evidence. The culprit was a bird that hunts fish, the Kingfisher.
Hey! I have to stun the fish so it can't run away.
I got it. The reason why the fish were out of the water was because the Kingfisher had dropped them by accident.
This one's mine. Should I bake it or should I fry it?
The male Kingfisher gives the fish he caught to a female as a gift. If the female accepts the fish,
Then the couple will mate. You know I take great wedding pictures, too.
the mystery is solved.